How to sign out from Outlook app on Android and iOS. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your Outlook app. And as you can see right here, I'm logged into a account. So all I need to do to log out is to click on the Outlook icon at the top left. And once I get this window right here, just click on the settings gear icon at the bottom left. You will get to this page right here, in which you will see this section that says accounts, and it contains all of the accounts that are logged in to the app. So just click on the account that you want to remove or log out. And once you do that, you'll get to this page right here, from which you will need to scroll all the way down till you find the option that says delete account, and it's written in red. Don't worry, this will not delete your account, it will only remove it from the app. So click on it. Once you do that, you will get this pop-up window right here. That's a confirmation. Just click on delete to confirm. And once you do that, you will see that your account has been removed and logged out. Just to prove that this is the sign out and not the delete option, if you click on add account, you will see that your account is right here, which you can always log back in again. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can log out from Outlook app in both Android and iOS. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.